Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you about Semrush versus Ahrefs. Which one fits your budget? Let's break down the pricing. First up, Semrush. Its plans start at $129.95 per month for pro subscriptions. It is perfect for freelancers and small teams. The Guru plan is $249.95, offering advanced features for growing businesses and for big agencies. And the business plan is $499.95 per month. Now let's talk about Ahrefs. Ahrefs keeps it simple. Their light plan starts at $99 per month, great for solo marketers. The standard plan is $199, and for larger teams, the advanced plan jumps to $399. So what's the difference? Semrush gives more features for content marketing and PPC campaigns, while Ahrefs focuses heavily on SEO and backlinks. Bottom line, if you need all-in-one marketing tool, go for Semrush. But if backlinks and SEO tracking are your focus, Ahrefs is the way to go. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.